Hi friends, this is Gaurav Bisht here, and in this video I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the recently launched phone by Gionee named Marathon M3. The best part of this phone is its battery, which is of 5000 milliamperes, which gives a very decent standby time of 33 days. It has got a camera, 8 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front facing camera, 1.3 GHz quad core processor, dual SIM, 5-inch IPS display. The Android version running on it is KitKat, 1 GB RAM and 8 GB of internal memory. So quickly we'll do the unboxing of this box. Okay, there we go. This is the Marathon M3. Okay, Gionee, powered by Android. We'll keep it aside, and meanwhile we'll just see what all do we have in the box content. Meanwhile I'll do the setup. Okay, so we have a flip cover with it, complimentary flip cover. The booklet, Gionee Service Center, etc., Gionee Guarantee warranty card. By the way, I had ordered it through eBay and I got it at the price of 12,160. Okay, we have the 2 screen guards available along with the box. The headphones available look pretty cheap, but it's okay. And we have the USB cable and the travel charger. The specs of this charger is output 5 volt and 2000 milliamperes. So this is for the box. We'll keep it aside, and now we'll concentrate on the phone. So this is a very good phone, looks like. I've ordered the black color one. It's having a 5-inch display. The power on off button is on the right hand side. Volume rockers on the right hand side. On the top we have got the 3.5mm USB 3.5mm audio jack. And okay, actually the SIM cards, we'll need to open the back cover of it and put the SIM card in it and the micro SD card. And the battery is a 5000 milliamperes non-removable battery. We have the charging port over here. This is the charging port and the phone. Looking into it, it is a very decent phone. 1 GB RAM. Okay. So this is the UI. Okay, we have already WhatsApp downloaded on it. UC browser. Videos, etc. So it's quite fast. So friends, this is the Gionee M3. Okay, and I'll come back with the detailed specifications of it and a review after using it for a few days. Thank you very much. I'll be back.